You want your toy? You want it? Look. This is from his third birthday. Yeah, his third birthday. He also got 2 treats. You want that? You want it? Oh yeah, you want it? Hey, excuse you. I'm recording and yet you decide to burp? Alright, come here. Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
May I close your door? No, you don't want to close your door?
Why?
Because I was going to throw this to him and I don't want him to go in there.
Oh. Well, if it does, I'll just throw it back out.
Okay, come here. Okay, you want that? Get it. Oh, that was bad. Whoops. Hey, give me that. Let me have that. Drop it. I said drop it. Thank you. Jeez. Oh. Drop it. Drop it. Oh yeah, if you guys are new, and if you guys don't know him, he is 3 years old now, and the 12th of January is his birthday. Wow, he's cute. So at the exact same time, yeah, he's done. He's so cute. Okay. Oh, hey. Go on. If you guys, yeah, go run with your toy. If you guys don't know this big boy, Bailey. If you guys don't know this big boy, he's on Backup World Part 3 or 2. And he's a alpha of a husky. He might look like a wolf. He might look like a wolf, but he ain't no wolf. Some people get imitated. Okay, hold on. Get scared by this dude. He's actually a sweet, gentle guy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Yeah. He is almost 8. February 12th or something like that. Yeah. I know it's in February. So, Chewbacca. Peaches. Break it out of his bed. Oh, yeah. Let me go and throw this away for a second. And then, I bet you guys already know who that big boy is. Huh. This guy is Ghost. And no, that is not blood on him. Right there. Right there on him. Oh, not bad. Right, that red stuff on him. Yeah, that's not blood. It's just raspberries from his greens and stuff. But, yeah. And then, big boy right here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know what you want to do. You want to take that chunk out of my finger. You want to take a chunk out of my finger. I know that. But don't get me wrong. He's sweet when he wants to be. But he does not like me. And I already know that. Love you too. But no, you cannot take a chunk out of my finger. Butthead. I get that. You can be sweet. You can be sweet. You can be sweet. I get that. But that's only if you want to be. Which I already know you don't like to be. Bird. Hawk.